Assalamu alaikum, this is Faik Shah. Welcome to Tribute Producer. And today's video is very important. It is going to be very important because I'm going to talk about dream. Yeah, everyone have his or her own dream in their life. So had I, and I'm gonna share for so that you can get motivation. I'm going to talk about my experience, whatever I have achieved, because I used to have a dream. I used to watch my favorite actors and imagine them as an actor because I was really passionate about that, and that was my passion, and I was really excited to do that kind of things. You know what happened with me? Uh, my passion was used to feel really enthusiastic whenever I watched that kind of things, and I used to think that I should be like that, and that was my dream. And I'm gonna share you about my experience. Uh, the show used to be telecasted in 2013 or 2014, and I used to watch. And there used to be an amazing opportunity for the youngsters to come and participate in it. And I thought about that. I search out that how can I come there? Sorry, how can I go there? And I took out some information so that I can reach on that platform so that I can do some work. And suddenly I watch during the program, there was a number mentioned over there for contacting them, and I saved that number so that I can contact. And when I started contacting on that number, I got response, and I was told to send my education background and from where I belonged. I sent my education background over there and whatever I used to do that time. And I had been waiting for almost 2 months for getting response. And the show name was and the name of that show, Video on Trial. As you have already known, the show used to be telecasted on ARY Music, and there used to be the show. There used to be the host named Vakkar Zaka, as you know, and there were so many opportunities for the youngsters so that they can participate in it and come for improving themselves or showing themselves that what they are actually. So I used to be very excited, and I had been waiting for 2 months, and I got response suddenly, and I was told come next day with the information of Pakistani singer Farhan Saeed. And you know, I felt really enthusiastic that time, and I took out some information of Farhan Saeed from the internet. And I did not used to have my own mobile phone so that I can use internet. I used to go to internet cafe. Even that time I did not have my own computer, and I went to cafe for taking out some information so that I have something to speak. And I was told to come on Park Tower, Karachi. And you know, literally, I'm going to tell you one thing, that I did not have my own motorbike that time to travel, and I travel by bus. I travel by bus to reach over there. I reach over there. I offered Maghrib namaz, and I saw that production was over there that time, and I met the members of that production, and I was told to convince the audience of Park Tower so that I can take interviews. And I started taking interviews from them, and I showed some videos of Farhan Saeed for taking out some for getting some marks of that video. And that was good thing for me to build up my confidence level. And next day was my indoor shoot with Vakkar Zaka, and I was really also excited to I used to watch the show of Video on Trial, so that's why I used to like him. So I drew some sketches of Vakkar Zaka, and I brought with me for reaching ARY Music. And I reach over there and I gave them sketches and I was appreciated by him. And then we started doing show, and that was my dream, and that was my great moment because I have achieved a big goal. It's not a piece of cake like you can get whatever you want, and I got. So that's why. So the purpose of telling you that thing, I would like to say that nothing is impossible, and I would like to tell you that keep thinking about your dreams and work hard for achieving your dreams, and keep doing a struggle for that, and one day you will get whatever you want. So that was my experience, and I have achieved. I have built up my confidence level so that I can go ahead in my life. So before going anywhere, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get some more videos related to my experience, related to motivational topics. So tell me if you like that video, like and subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and inshallah I will be making some more videos for you so that you can be motivated. Thank you.